Hey guys, welcome to Henry Simon. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get Windows Copilot if you still didn't have it. So guys, to get Copilot, you need to join Windows Insider program. If you don't know how to join it, I've already made a video on it. You can simply watch that tutorial and join the Windows Insider program. So just join the program and restart your PC. And then you're gonna see the Copilot icon on your taskbar. So as you can see, there we got the Copilot. So you can use it to do anything. It's powered by ChatGPT 4. You can just type anything and it will do it for you. As you can see here, you can turn on, turn off the dark mode and do much more things in Windows that you don't know. If you have any error, any other thing you want to fix it, you can simply do it now with the help of Copilot. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.